Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering the questions like, can you use Codecademy for free if you are learning to code, or if you are trying to learn coding without paying a single dime. This video will help you or guide you step by step. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and go to codecademy.com. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account. If you haven't already logged in, use the email and password of your account to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, simply click on sign up to create one using your email or Google or Facebook. Once you are logged in, click on the catalog and you can search here any coding you want to learn. As you can see, web development, data science, or IT, cybersecurity. You can choose any one of these, or you can also filter here using the free courses, all available to start learning without a pro subscription. Click any free course and begin the lessons. You can write and learn code directly in your browser, track progress in your profile, and learn how to code. And you can even earn badges for completing free content. Code Academy also offers free project quizzes and discussion forums where you can ask questions and learn with others, and that is all for free as well. As you can see, you can join our community here. If you want extra features like guided path and more projects, Code Academy sometimes offer the free trials or pro version. You can use them temporarily without paying, and that's how you can use Code Academy for free and start learning coding today. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more, and comment which free course you will try first. Keep coding and have fun. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.